So this is my objective, everyone, for this topic. So you have to be able to see what could be the distinguish between facts and opinion. Karena nanti Anda akan mengungkapkan opinion in English, everyone. Jadi Anda harus bedakan dulu yang mana itu opini, yang mana fakta ya. Itu penting. Kemudian after that, so if you would like to state your opinion, everyone. Biasanya kalau nyampein opini itu jangan sampai hanya ngasih opini yang kosong ya. So you have to make it like strong opinion, everyone. And then you have to be able to support your own opinion ya. Supaya dia menjadi satu opini yang acceptable ya, yang strong, jadi bisa diterima oleh semua orang gitu ya. Sometimes ada banyak orang yang menolak opini kita karena apa ya? Karena mungkin tidak terlalu masuk akal gitu ya, tidak make sense gitu, sama mungkin terlalu dangkal bisa juga ya. So people cannot accept that gitu. Jadi jangan marah sih kalau semisal opini Anda tidak diterima. Misalnya Anda ada rapat atau apa gitu ya, biasanya jangan sampai merasa kenapa sih opini saya selalu ditolak. So you have to ask to yourself ya. Mungkin kira-kira di mananya sih yang belum gitu. Maybe it could be how you support your own opinion, everyone. So you have to be, it has to be more acceptable when you try to make it like strong opinion gitu ya. Jadi jangan sampai jadi takut ngasih opini karena rasa-rasanya opini saya ini kok selalu ditolak gitu. Jadi pikirkan dulu sebelum kamu giving your own opinion, everyone, regarding to something. Get the definition over here, everyone. So if you see over here, we can see that an opinion is a statement that a person believes to be true, but it cannot be measured against an objective standard. Jadi ini nggak punya ukuran ya. Jadi this is very personal, everyone ya. It depends on someone's perspective gitu. Misalnya ada orang, atau ini hanya contoh aja ya. Misalnya Mbak Adinda ini say that Rehan is handsome gitu ya. Ini cuma contoh aja ya, Mas Rehan ya. Jangan kegeeran ya. Tapi ternyata according to Siva, everyone, Rehan is not handsome at all gitu ya. Ya biasa aja gitu ya, nggak dikategorikan handsome, nggak dikategorikan ini ya, ya biasa-biasa aja gitu. Ya kan? Jadi itu sangat nggak ada satu standar tertentu gitu ya. Ya tergantung Anda gitu ya. Yang tergantung Anda yang melihat gitu. Jadi nggak ada ukuran benar salahnya gitu. Ya kan? Dan misalnya Mas Rizky gitu ya, lewat gitu ada lihat cewek cantik gitu ya. Bagi dia cantik gitu, tapi mungkin bagi Mas Irsyad misalnya ya enggak gitu, biasa aja gitu. Can you see that, everyone? Bisa ya? So it depends on someone's perspective, everyone, if we talk about opinion. Makanya tadi saya sampaikan dari awal kenapa opini kita itu perlu strong gitu ya, perlu supported by some facts or opinion, everyone, to make it more acceptable gitu. Karena kalau kamu cuma ngasih pendapat aja gitu ya, oh menurut saya gini, tapi nggak ada gitu satu argumen yang bagus gitu ya, atau nggak ada satu facts yang mendukung gitu ya ke ini kamu itu, ya tentu dia nggak akan serta-merta akan langsung diterima gitu. Jadi in contrast, everyone, if you see a fact here, it is a statement that can be proven true or false ya. Jadi dia kontras dengan an opinion tadi. Dia punya yang namanya objective standard gitu. Sama misalnya kayak kamu nanti mata kuliah ini, oh 85 itu dikategorikan A gitu ya. Ya kan? Jadi dia punya satu ukuran yang jelas. Oh, kalau nggak sampai 45 berarti dia E nilainya. Jadi jelas ya, standarnya itu jelas gitu. So, ya itu fakta gitu. Fakta berarti kamu punya, you can prove that gitu. Can be proven true or false gitu. Ya kan? Bisa ya, dibedakan ya. Jadi nanti when you try everyone to give your own opinion, selain kamu akan kasih alasan-alasannya, alasan itu bisa berupa arguments, bisa juga berupa yang disebut sebagai fakta-fakta to support your own opinion. Can you get it, everyone? Bisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us see now this one. Sambil diikuti di learning, sambil dibuka juga boleh, sambil lihat di layar saya juga boleh ya. Look at some, I give you about 10 questions over here, everyone. Coba Anda lihat yang nomor 1 ini, let us categorize whether this is belong to fact or opinion, everyone. Coba ya, kalau nomor 1 gimana kira-kira? Ada yang mau coba? Silakan. Langsung open mic aja ya. Dibaca, terus kamu kategorikan kira-kira dia masuk ke fact or opinion. Come on.
Nomor 1 ya, ma'am.
Yep.
Fact.
Would you please to read first and then you categorize
August
that?
17th, celebrate Indonesian Independence Day is fact.
Ya, that's correct ya, karena memang ini ya memang fakta ya, bahwa 17 Agustus itu merupakan hari kemerdekaan Indonesia ya. Jadi ini bukan berdasarkan pendapatnya si Adinda gitu ya. Ya memang ini kenyataannya gitu. Second one, please. Ya, please.
Second, Mr. Lopez is a good music teacher. For me, that's an opinion.
Yeah, that's correct ya. Good music teacher. Jadi ini adjektif ya. Jadi sudah cukup jelas kalau ini. For me, maybe he is not a good music teacher ya. Atau bisa jadi sama yang lain juga gimana. So it depends on you gitu. Jadi kalau semisal Anda punya dosen gitu ya, masing-masing mahasiswa pasti punya penilaian tersendiri gitu ya. Ada mungkin yang punya penilaian begini, punya penilaian begitu, so it could be different opinion ya. Okay, the next please. Yeah.
Number 3. The boiling point for water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. It's fact.
Ya, fact ya, karena ini proven ya by researcher, ya kan? Ini udah memang teruji dan terbukti. Good. Next please.
Me, ma'am.
Yep.
Number 4, skateboarding is a good exercise. It's an opinion.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, for some people maybe skateboarding, but the other maybe different good exercise ya. Mungkin ada yang nge-gym, ada playing badminton, soccer, jogging, and so on ya. Jadi bisa beda-beda the opinion about good exercise according to your body or according to you. Yes, good. Next please.
Me, ma'am.
Ya, please. Akhirnya saya dengar ibu-ibu ya, please.
Number 5, puppies are cuter than kittens. I think that's an opinion. Because some people are cat person and some are a dog person. Maybe they like cat more than dogs or vice versa.
Yeah, that's correct ya. Namanya juga cuter than ya. Jadi ini sangat personal ya. Ada yang ngerasa bahwa Hello Kitty itu cute gitu ya, tapi yang lain ngerasa mungkin apaan sih gitu ya. Jadi sangat personal sekali. That's good. Next please. Next you might try yourself, everyone. Ayo silakan. Jangan lama-lama ya, to shorten our time.
Me, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yeah, please.
The Elementary Media Center has 432 books about pets. It's a fact, ma'am.
How can you say that this is fact?
Because she's the writer have given the information about elementary media, so this is a correct data, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. There is number ya. Ada data
Yes,
berupa number ya di sana and proven ya. Mereka makanya bisa melaporkan ada data berupa ini ya, berupa angka ya. Jadi ini fakta. Next, thank you. Next please. Ayo, yang lain.
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Michael's social studies notebook is in his backpack. I think
Yes.
his opinion.
How can you say this is opinion? Would you please to explain to us?
Maybe someone can I speak Indonesia? Mungkin
Boleh, tapi coba
mungkin orang
dicoba.
mengira buku bahasa Inggrisnya di sebuah tas perspektif orang-orang.
Maybe ya.
Yeah.
Tapi kan kenyataannya kan in his backpack ya. Ketika ini orang ngomong berarti kan dia sedang melihat enggak? Sedang apa ya? In his backpack gitu ya. Jadi this is not assumption ya, atau this is fact actually ya. Kita bisa bilang ini karena kita tahu kan biasanya. Tapi Ade tadi memang pakai maybe ya, jadi dia pun nggak yakin sebenarnya ya. Iya Mas Ade. Jangan keseringan pakai kata maybe ya, nanti bahaya ya. Maybe I like you, nanti kamu bilang gitu. Banyak yang lebih pasti ngapain yang pakai maybe gitu nanti entar ya Mas Ade ya. So this is fact actually ya. Oke, bisa ya. But good, thank you for trying that to give your own opinion ya. Kenapa fake? Karena ya memang when we see like Michael bring ya his social notebook ya in his backpack, so we can state that, right, everyone? Ya kan kita tidak sedang berasumsi ya di sini gitu, karena karena kita melihat, observe, and then we reveal that, gitu kan? Oke, next please.
Me, ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
Ya, silakan. Ya. Ayo.
Please, ma'am, I want to
Okay,
ask for this question.
Silakan, Mas
For
Rofi.
number 8, Kirsten is wearing a blue sweater today. My sweater is fake because today someone see Kirsten wearing a blue sweater.
Good, that's correct ya. Benar ya, this is fact. Karena dia bilang juga is wearing ya. Jadi sharp, dia sedang memakai gitu. Next please.
Me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Independence Day is the most important American holiday. I think it's fact because from Independence Day we know that America was declared their independence in that past time. Like I think it's fact, ma'am.
Fact ya, jangan sampai salah sebut ya.
Yes.
Oke, gimana yang lain kira-kira? Do you have other opinion, everyone? Do you agree that this is fact actually? Most American holiday, according to you?
Ma'am, I don't agree.
Yeah. Oh, what do you think about this statement?
I think that's an opinion because some people are not have much feeling of nationality than other gitu. Jadi kayak kadang orang kan ada yang nasionalis, ada yang nggak nasionalis gitu. Jadi kayaknya itu cuman opini kalau bilang itu holiday yang paling penting kan. There are banyak holiday dibanding daripada Independence Day kayak Christmas, terus Thanksgiving juga kan ada di Amerika, kayak berbagai budaya, Halloween. Jadi mungkin ini kayak opini aja kalau dia bilang yang paling important itu Independence Day.
Yeah, okay. I agree with Adila ya. So lihat kata the most important. Ya ini sangat perspektif ya sebenarnya, atau personal ya. Karena prioritas setiap orang itu pasti beda-beda ya, atau urgensi atau yang menjadi skala important orang itu kan beda-beda ya. Bisa jadi mungkin the most important American holiday according to someone itu yang lain gitu, not Independence Day gitu ya. Bisa hal-hal yang lain gitu. So this is like someone's opinion to state that Independence Day is the most important American holiday. Ya kan? Kalau Anda misalnya, what is the most important Indonesian holiday according to you? Beda-beda nggak? Coba dicek apa aja.
libur lebaran, Mem.
Ya, pasti kan. Ada yang lain nggak coba? Atau semuanya libur lebaran? No, right?
Nope.
Mana nih chatnya?
Nope,
Saya
Mem.
nggak bisa lihat.
Libur
Pasti
yang lain juga,
different.
Men, tapi ikut eventnya aja.
Libur semester kan, sampai lupa kalau udah mau kuliah. Atau libur apa? Yang jelas pasti beda-beda ya, opiniannya ya. Well, everyday holiday is important to me. Are you sure? Aduh. Oke ya. So we agree that this is opinion. The last, please, everyone.
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, this is easy. Please.
The English test we took on Tuesday was very difficult. I think it's opinion because back to the student skill,
Yeah.
it might he not study, so he could not pass the test.
Or the students who think that English is very difficult, jadi English test itu pasti selalu difficult ya. Nggak pernah akan easy, karena thinking that it's difficult ya. Ya kan? Okay,
Yes.
so I agree with you. So that's good ya, benar ya, correct. That the English test we took on Tuesday was very difficult. This is personal or someone's perspective ya. Mungkin ini bagi yang lain itu easy ya, not like such a difficult task gitu. Bisa ya berarti ya, nggak membingungkan ya, fact and opinion ya, pasti bisa lah. Okay, now let's see everyone how you use the expressions everyone for telling an opinion ya. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris itu ada banyak sekali expressions untuk setiap topik-topik ya. Jadi ini bisa Anda gunakan when you speak up everyone or when you state your own opinion gitu ya. Jadi orang bisa lihat sign posting kamu gitu nanti bahwa kamu itu sedang telling your own opinion gitu. Ini satu hal yang bagus kamu gunakan untuk bisa lebih engage dengan orang yang teman kamu berbicara gitu. So if you see over here everyone, banyak ya, coba dilihat ya. I think bla 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 gitu ya. I think English is not difficult misalnya. I believe apa misalnya ya. Dan sambung dia berupa opini kamu yang tadi itu ya. I feel apa misalnya. Coba silakan dibaca dulu ya. Habis ini saya akan gunakan fasilitas chat ya. Coba kamu state one opinion everyone according to these phrases. Coba. Someone people say that apa misalnya. In my humble opinion apa misalnya. Banyak lah ya ininya ya. Ada Lianardi lagi raise hand. What's your question? Silakan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. I have a question about factual opinion.
Yes.
Factual opinion ini ma'am. Jadi there's opinion. My opinion is fact. But it offended him and he didn't accept it. Jadi dia tersinggung karena opini fakta saya gitu, ma'am. Itu gimana, ma'am?
It's okay, no problem ya. Jadi jangan sampai kamu sedang berusaha to force someone to accept your opinion ya. Oke, opini itu bukan berarti untuk tujuannya harus selalu diterima gitu. Kalau semisal kamu belum atau misalnya belum diterima gitu ya, so means that you need to get more facts ya, get more data to support your own opinion. Jadi tujuan opini ini memperkaya perspektif ya sebenarnya, bukan memaksakan opini Anda harus diterima. Does it answer your question, Lianardi?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please. Back to my instruction just now ya. Coba sambil dibaca, kemudian coba gunakan fasilitas chatnya ya. Coba kamu reveal an opinion everyone by using these phrases, common phrases used for telling opinion. Coba satu orang satu ya. Coba sebutin kira-kira opini yang bisa kamu ini. Opinion ya. Ini ada I feel darling in the Frank's anime is trash. Can get that opinion we said to be fact.
Story-nya ampas, mem.
How, when can that opinion to be fact? Opinion is opinion ya. Fact is fact. Okay, that's different. Porridge tastes better when mixed. Okay, next. Web alert ini apa? Ada tugas web ya? I'm so handsome. Okay, good opinion. Personally, I think that jangan lupa gunakan tadi yang saya bilang common phrase use-nya ya. I think that Indomie with egg is the best. Ini juga dia udah gunakannya. Yang lain ayo, masih 5 orang ini. I think everyone is good looking. Oh, good ya. Kamu ini menerapkan persamaan derajat kemanusiaan. In my humble opinion, chicken is better than fish. Okay. But in other opinion, fish is better than chicken. Okay. I feel Mr. Pandi is a handsome and kind lecturer. Orang Sunda ya, Mas ya? Mas Ahmad. Bukan Mr. Pandi ya, Mr. Fandi. Pakai F bukan pakai P. I believe Iron Man will relive. Okay. I guess Korean drama move fun. Jangan lupa adverb-nya ya. Is more fun atau are more fun than Chinese dramas. Okay. Yang lain ayo silakan. Banyak ngasih tentang film ya. Ini opinion-nya ya. In my honest opinion, spicy food is more delicious and satisfied than apa? Jangan lupa karena kamu comparing ya, comparison. Ya kan? Jangan lupa ini mau dibandingkan dengan apa? Spicy food dengan salted food atau apa? Ya, yang Mas 66. Jadi ini kan perbandingan ya, comparative degree kan? Ada satu kamu bandingin dengan yang lain. Ini udah benar, tapi comparingnya kemana? I think that chemistry is easier than math. Ini masih kebayang-bayang pelajaran kimia, padahal udah jadi anak multimedia ya. Oke, ada yang mau coba bilang langsung setelah udah diketik tadi? Ayo, coba silakan. Daripada mem yang bacakan kan mendingan ada yang langsung ucapin, jadi bisa sambil practice your speaking ya, selain listening. Ayo silakan, saya ini.
Ma'am.
Ya, please.
From my point of view, that mumble rap need a subtitle for its lyrics.
Okay, next please.
Me, ma'am.
Yep.
In my honest opinion, spicy food is more delicious and satisfied.
Dan? Nah ini tadi masnya berarti. Spicy foodnya kamu mau bandingin ke apa? Ke makanan apa? Karena dia kan comparative degree kan?
Oh, it's delicious and satisfied than usual food, just like.
Okay.
Yes.
Oke, dan usual food ya, maksudnya not spicy at all gitu ya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jadi kalau superlative degree itu dibandingin dengan apa ya? Misalnya Mbak Nadhif is more beautiful than siapa misalnya disebutin Putri Amelia for example ya. Jadi ada jelas comparing dengan apa. Ayo silakan yang lain.
Me, ma'am.
Please.
Some people say that beef are better than chicken.
Okay. Good. Next. Ayo. Yang lain?
My mom.
Yep.
I think my love will never be accepted by the woman I like long ago.
Jangan langsung hopeless gitu. Tapi itu masih I think ya, berarti kamu butuh pembuktian lebih lagi. You need to prove more. Ya, jadi nanti supaya bisa diterima opinionnya atau supaya bisa diterima love-nya. Next please. Satu lagi mungkin?
Hi, ma'am.
Ya, please.
I believe Iron Man will realize.
Ya, ini tadi udah saya bacakannya, benar ya. Itu juga opinionnya. Mungkin yang lain berpikir apa gitu ya, not like have the same perspective or opinion. Oke ya, itu tadi ya kalau talking about fact and opinion or talking about some expressions used everyone for telling the opinion. So look at some important note everyone how to express your opinion in English ya. Yang pertama, when you would like to add strength in your opinion ya, coba dilihat. I really think, jadi ini memang kayak degree-nya kamu mau giving more emphasize everyone to your own opinion. I strongly believe that Iron Man apa tadi ya?
Will realize.
Ya. Will realive ya tadi ya. I truly feel that apa misalnya. Jadi ada kayak yang saya bold ini nih kayak penekanan yang apa kamu itu lebih serius gitu to tell your own opinion gitu. Jadi levelnya ini bisa lebih strong daripada yang kita pakai yang di bagian yang sebelumnya. In my honest opinion ini tadi ya udah ada yang pakai tadi ini. Other point should be added to strengthen your opinion is providing the existence of fact ya. Jadi ketika kamu kasih ini juga jangan lupa juga nanti to support your own opinion gitu supaya dia menjadi lebih strong lagi. Ya, ini bisa kamu gunakan to strengthen your opinion. When you would like to deliver your opinion everyone by using formal phrases, ini juga ya, sometimes kamu sangat akan berbicara di forum dan akan lebih formal gitu. Jadi mungkin kalau I think yang kayak tadi itu ya, apa gitu itu mungkin kayak sesuatu yang biasa ya, maksudnya bisa ke teman gitu kan tadi ya. Kayak misalnya I feel, I think, I believe, apalagi yang lain tadi yang kayak yang pernyataan yang common gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya dia for meeting or conference atau more official gitu ya, jadi pakai yang informal, pakai yang formal ya. Atau misalnya untuk yang bahasa tulisan juga ya, jadi kamu bisa gunakan from my point of view gitu ya, atau from my perspective, according to my perspective, in my view, it seems to me that apa misalnya. Look at the example everyone. In my view, smoking should be banned in public places. The smokers can disturb other people, especially non-smokers feeling. Jadi dia nggak cuman, maksudnya di sini dia menggunakan bahasa yang formal ya di sini. Jadi nggak seperti bahasa teman karena ini kan bahasa tulisan dan juga speaking informal way. Look at the way how if you like to ask someone's opinion ya in English. Jadi imagine that you are express your opinion everyone, you have expressed yourself, your opinion. Jangan sampai nanti komunikasinya kamu cuma mau didengar aja ya, but you need to ask someone's opinion also. Sometimes you will be as a speaker, but the other occasion you are going to be a listener also ya. Jadi jangan maunya cuma didengarkan, tapi Anda juga akan jadi pendengar juga ya. Often when we express an opinion or suggestion, everyone, it is a good idea to ask other people for their opinion maksudnya di sini. So what do you think of this situation, for example? What are your thoughts on apa misalnya sesuai topik yang Anda sedang bahas gitu ya. How do you feel about this Korean drama, for example? Misalnya Anda lagi ngomongin tentang Korean drama, for example. What's your opinion on our lecturer, for example ya? Jadi bisa sambil Anda tanyakan juga gitu ya, kira-kira pendapat orang itu seperti apa gitu. Jadi Anda bisa kayak juga gitu, oh ternyata pendapat dia berbeda ya gitu. Okay. So you can use these questions, everyone, in many kind of situation. So look at the example. What's your opinion about Korean music? Ya, jadi nanti kamu menjawabnya ya sesuai ya. In my opinion, in my point of view gitu ya. How do you feel about the pandemic era? Ini salah ya, itu bukan area tapi era ya. Kemudian what are your thoughts on today's English lesson? Jadi ini juga bisa jadi satu hal yang bisa kamu tanyakan ya. What's your opinion on blah blah blah, atau what's your opinion about blah blah blah. How do you feel about something gitu ya, atau what's your opinion on apa gitu. Oke, tapi nanti topiknya kamu harus sesuaikan ya, kira-kira pertanyaan kamu tentang apa. Coba kita langsung ya, coba gunain chat box-nya juga ya. Coba formulate satu pertanyaan for asking about someone's opinion. Topiknya it depends on you ya. It's up to you. Kira-kira kamu pengen tanya opinion apa di room ini gitu. Bisa random topiknya, silakan. Random tapi tetap dalam batas ranah yang polite ya, yang sopan. Ayo silakan. Ini tadi gunakan kalimat yang expressions yang ini ya. What do you think of? What are your thoughts on? How do you feel about blah blah blah? What's your opinion on? What do you feel about KBI? Okay, next. What's the next, everyone? Ini tadi I believe you left your brain. Don't take it seriously. Ini banget ya kamu ini. Ayo yang lain. Baru satu nih yang ini ya. How when you ask someone's opinion, what do you think about the new iPhone ya? What do you think about online class? Nah ini pertanyaan yang paling banyak ditanyakan. Next. What do you think about anime? Okay. Yang lain? Ayo silakan. Buru ya. What do you think of vegan rendang? I have no idea about this. Ada ya vegan rendang ya. Rendang itu bukan ini ya. Ada vegannya, versi vegannya juga. What's your opinion about communism versus capitalism? Okay. Oh, what are your thoughts on Twice new album? Ini apa ya kayaknya? Grup ya? Atau ini? What do you think about ARMY BTS? Okay. What do you think about the craft lecture? What do you feel when Shizuka in Blur? Okay. Next, everyone. Okay. Gitu ya berarti ya. Jadi apa? What do you think about Indonesian Sea? How do you feel about being a student? Okay. Ada yang bisa jawab ini nggak? How do you feel about being a student in university kali ya? Jangan terlalu general. What do you think, everyone? How is it like to be Arsenal fan? It's stressful. Ini tadi yang university student ya, yang online university student ya. It's stressful ya. in my opinion, being an online university student is stressful. Itu tadi jawabannya. Oke, what's your opinion about family? Nah itu ya, jadi ya itu tadi caranya tuh ask the opinion. Oke. Ada pertanyaan nggak sampai sejauh ini dulu atau bisa diikutin? Do you have any question or can you follow me everyone? You follow me? Do you understand or you stand under me? Ayo monggo dijawab. Apa masih ada orang di room ini? Atau suara saya
Ma'am,
udah hilang?
still masih understand, masih mengerti.
Okay, so you can still follow. Now we move to the next everyone. How if you want to support or to contrast others' opinion ya. Ini tadi yang ditanyakan sama Masnya. Apakah semua opinion itu kita selalu berekspektasi kita akan diterima. Jadi hidup nggak semudah itu ya. Ferguso. So sometimes everyone, people will stand to our opinion, but sometimes everyone will disagree to our opinion. Yeah, that's normal. Okay, so how if you like to show that you agree or disagree with other opinion? Ya, jadi coba Anda lihat di sini. Some people may disagree with me, but as far as I am concerned, apa misalnya? Jadi kamu sebutin gitu, kira-kira seperti apa? Nah, dia bilang sih, contohnya gini. Although some people may disagree with me, as far as I'm concerned that happiness is the most important thing in our life. Ya. Mungkin nggak semua ya setuju bahwa happiness is the most important thing in our life. Ya, ada mungkin yang berpendapat bahwa apa gitu. Money is the most important thing in our life misalnya, atau apa misalnya. Creation is the most important thing in our life atau apa? Karir mungkin atau apa ya? Jadi mungkin bisa beda gitu. Or even though people in contrast with me, but I would argue that happiness is the most important thing in our life. Jadi ini dia mau menekankan bahwa dia mau agree atau disagree ya tetap ya pendapat saya seperti ini gitu. Ini ya. So you may say everyone, I disagree, I don't agree, gitu ya. Yeah, but money cannot buy happiness. You cannot only live because you have much money, gitu. Jadi kamu kasih tahu alasannya, kira-kira kenapa kamu agree, kenapa kamu disagree, gitu ya. I'm not sure I agree with you. I'm sorry, but I don't agree. I'm afraid I disagree, gitu. Jadi biasanya sih memang harus polite ya. Jangan sampai jadi apa? Jadi bertengkar atau misalnya jadi baper gitu ya. Kalau semisal ada orang yang nggak setuju atau nggak ini sama kamunya gitu ya. Jadi it's a very common thing everyone. Kalau beda pendapat ya, it's okay. I see what you were saying, but blah blah blah. You have a point there, but blah blah blah. Jadi kalau ada but itu berarti dia sudah oponen ya biasanya ya. I understand that you are coming from blah blah blah, but apa gitu. Listen to a short exchange. Jadi dia mau mencoba untuk disagree ya, atau mencoba untuk ngasih tahu yang lain ya. Oke. Whenever we speak everyone, nah ini tadi ya, agree or disagree itu biasa ya. Nah kalau misalnya kalau kamu mau support your friend ya, atau misalnya kamu mau show your own agreement ya, so kamu bisa bilang ini ya tadi, ini contohnya, so do I, me too. You can use this following response everyone to stand for friends who give you the statement. So do I, me too, definitely, I agree, I couldn't agree more, I completely agree. Bisa ya? Ini udah umum ya, Anda bisa temukan ya. Jadi note that agree in English everyone. So be careful not to say I am agree for the. Nah ini kalau ini tentang grammarnya nanti ya. Jadi karena ini kan udah verb ya, jadi biasanya tidak diikuti dengan auxiliary lagi. Jadi langsung aja I agree gitu ya, bukan I am agree. Jadi, ya bisa setuju, bisa tidak setuju gitu. Jadi kalau opinion ini tentukan stance kamu, whether you agree or disagree, itu dulu yang pertama. Rada-rada mirip dengan giving scientific arguments yang kemarin ya. Cuman giving scientific arguments kemarin ya lebih detail ya, harus ada klaimnya gitu ya, ada argumentsnya gitu ya, ada yang lainnya gitu. Nah kalau di sini ya kamu ya, giving, you try to strengthen your opinion everyone by giving some reason. Reasonnya itu bisa itu tadi yang saya sudah bilang ya, bisa fact terutama ya, to make your own opinion stronger. Nah lihat di sini ya, ininya, ini udah tadi ya, hampir-hampir mirip dengan yang tadi ya. Nah ini kalau semisal kamu mau supporting your own opinion everyone to make it strong and more acceptable. Jadi mungkin kamu bisa akan kasih sekitar 3 reasons gitu. Tadi misalnya yang Anda bilang, in my humble opinion, Mr. Fandi is apa tadi? Handsome and good lecturer tadi ya. Kasih tahu gitu reasonnya gitu. Ya kan? Atau misalnya ada yang bilang bahwa apa misalnya Yasser Khalid Arsa is the most handsome guy in Politeknik Negeri Batam, for example ya. For example Yasser, ini cuma contoh ya, jangan langsung ini. Reasonnya ya apa misalnya dia menang lomba cover boy yang dilakukan oleh BEM misalnya ya. Terus reason nomor 2 dia menang lomba di majalah misalnya gitu. Jadi ada reasonnya gitu ya yang support your stance ya, your opinion gitu. Oke, jadi ini ya kamu bisa pakai signal words atau signposting yang ini. Jadi orang bisa notice bahwa you have some reasons everyone to support your own stance ya. Oke. Nah, coba lihat di sini ya. Saya ada kasih contoh. Mother with small children can work outside of the house ya. Jadi dia it's good for mother with small children to work outside of the house. Jadi dia setuju ya dengan topik ini. Ini kalau anak debate ini pasti udah ngeh ya, udah pasti nangkep ya maksud saya di sini. Jadi biasanya kamu tentuin standing kamu dulu. Kamu agree atau disagree dengan satu opini ini, whether you agree or disagree. Kalau kamu agree, kamu reasonnya apa? Kalau kamu disagree, reasonnya apa? Gitu. Reasonnya itu bisa berupa opini yang lain atau bisa juga berupa fakta-fakta. Ya, nah itu. Jadi kalau dia di sini setuju ya, it's okay for mothers with small children to walk outside of the house. Ini memang satu pertentangan ya biasanya atau satu beragam pendapat ya bagaimana kalau seorang ibu yang punya anak kecil tapi bekerja gitu, ya kan? Tapi di sini ya reason dia a working mom can help to pay for many things for children need. Ini economic berarti ya. Ya working mother juga masih bisa ini ya. Bisa apa namanya? Bisa pay for for other people to take care of the children gitu ya. Sama satu lagi ini ya, dia bilangnya ya kalau anak yang nggak sama orang tuanya terus dia punya better social skills ya. Jadi nggak cuma sama mamanya tapi dia mau gitu sama orang lain. Nah itu kan pendapat-pendapat yang bisa to support your topic atau your stance. Atau kamu coba baca contoh yang kedua ini ya. Lottery should be banned ya. Do you know lotteries everyone? Tahu lotteries enggak? Atau pernah memainkan lotteries?
Judi.
Ada yang punya? Hah? Apa? Ada yang punya pengalaman bermain lotteries di sini? Ya bisa dikatakan ini judi gitu ya atau ini ya bisa ya. Jadi coba kamu lihat di sini dia kasih opinionnya bahwa dia I agree that lottery should be banned ya di sini. Ya, I know lotteries. Oke. Tahu ya di sini. Nah, coba lihat opini dia di sini ya. Reason dia, opininya dia agree bahwa lottery itu should be banned ya. Ya, alasan dia tuh ada 3 ya. Waste of money, addictive, sama satu lagi orang berasumsi ya bahwa lottery itu one of a good chance to make money gitu. Tapi kalau dia di sini dia not really a good chance to make money. Kalau ada cara yang lain kenapa enggak gitu ya. Jadi kalau Anda lihat di sini dia jadi kalau misalnya Anda punya reason boleh ditambah lagi gitu kalau Anda pas speaking gitu atau you like to speak up your own opinion disupport lagi gitu bahwa lotteries are a waste of money, the way to waste of your money gitu ya. Boleh kamu tambahkan lagi. Kalau dia sih di sini dia sebutin every time we buy the lottery ticket, we have less money to buy things we need such as food and medicine. Jadi uang kita itu habis cuma buat beli lottery tiket ya. Paham ya? Jadi bisa lagi kamu elaborate lagi reason kamu itu ya. Atau misalnya dia bilang addictive ya tadi. Jadi kamu bisa ngejelasin juga when we buy a lottery ticket but we do not win, we may want to buy more and more tickets, gitu kan? Karena satu nggak menang, tapi terus penasaran kapan bisa dapatnya nih, bisa menangnya gitu, beli lagi dan lagi gitu, itu addictive ya. Jadi dia elaborate lagi untuk addictive-nya. Oke. Sama satu lagi tadi dia bilang not a really good chance to make money gitu. Jadi we cannot use our skills or abilities to win ya. Jadi ini sesuatu yang nggak pasti karena nggak ada keahlian khusus gitu. Jadi cuman antara lucky aja gitu, faktor luck aja gitu kan. Oke. Jadi dia strengthen lagi tadi positioning dia ya. I believe that banning lotteries is a good idea. Ini sama kayak misalnya idea bahwa lottery should be banned gitu. Jadi usahakan jangan sampai ketika kamu giving your own opinion everyone ya udah gitu kasih reason but no elaboration regarding to that. Harapannya sih bisa di-elaborate supaya lebih bisa strong dan lebih bisa diterima gitu. Oke. Nah, coba dilihat di sini tipsnya ya. Express your opinion with negative or positive phrases everyone. So you have to choose your stand first ya. Jadi choose dulu kira-kira kamu antara yang negatif atau positif maksudnya di sini kamu agree atau disagree ya. Jadi nanti misalnya ada satu statement dari temenmu, misalnya dia bilang ya tadi apa gitu. Ya kan? Anime yang ini bagus ya gitu ya. Ya kan? Menurut saya kurang bagus kan gitu ya standingnya, ya kan pertama. And then after that you give your own reasons. The second everyone, choose adverbs or adjective to strengthen your opinion. Ini udah pasti ya. Kalau kamu kasih opini, pasti kamu banyak akan menggunakan adjektif ya. Ya kan? Karena kamu akan memberikan penilaian, ada degree gitu, to your own opinion. The next everyone, elaborating your opinion by providing some facts and reasons to support your opinion would be the best and strong opinion. Facts, reasons, yeah. The way to strengthen your own opinion. By revealing some facts, everyone, it could be data, numbers, proven research, everyone can stronger our opinion. Ini tadi yang saya sudah sampaikan. Facts itu bisa berupa apa aja. Data, numbers, proven research gitu ya. Atau kebenaran yang sudah diterima secara umum. Itu juga bisa. Misalnya matahari terbit dari barat. Itu udah satu kebenaran yang umum dan pasti kan? Pasti atau umum? Nggak ada yang nyimak ya. Saya bilang matahari terbit dari barat.
Terbit dari timur.
Umum, Bu.
Terbit dari timur.
Umum.
Sengaja saya. Berarti masih pada nyimak ya. Jadi satu kebenaran umum ya bahwa matahari itu terbit dari timur ya.
Timur.
We all can accept that ya. Jadi itu bisa berupa fakta yang umum dan kebenaran yang umum yang bisa stronger our opinion gitu. Kalau data, numbers, and proven research ini kalau biasanya data ya sudah dibuktikan ya, atau numbers kayak tadi jumlah buku di perpustakaan 500 buku misalnya, itu kan udah data ya, udah hasil observasi atau hasil record data, atau proven research ya, Jadi ada satu riset gitu yang sudah dibuktikan gitu. Bisa ya? Oke, or other way everyone to build your arguments. Nah ini kalau anak debate ini pasti udah ini ya, bisa assertion, you state your claim everyone, ya, bisa reasoning, ya, oke, sama bisa evidence juga, sama link back juga bisa ya. Kalau semisal kamu apa namanya memerlukan argumen yang lebih panjang gitu di ini. Biasanya sih kalau ini bisa dipakai pas kapan ya, Mem? Kalau misalnya skill untuk giving opinion ini ya ini ya pas meet with your investor misalnya gitu ya nanti ya kita bicara visioner atau bicara ini nanti gimana nerapinnya di perkuliahan atau di apa ya di workplace situation gitu. Di situ sih misalnya nanti kamu presentasi produk kamu, presentasi idea di depan investor atau jangan dulu bicara produk atau bicara ide dulu gitu ya. So you have to be able to explain your own opinion. Jangan sampai jadi orang yang ngikut aja gitu ya. Paham ya? Biasakan kamu state your preferences gitu. Maunya sih gini gitu atau misalnya menurutku seperti ini. Entah diterima atau nggak diterima, it's okay. But at least-nya kamu jadi orang yang punya critical thinking yang baik gitu ya. Maksudnya paham nggak ya maksud saya ya? Jadi biasakan kamu you can state your opinion, sampaikan apa yang kamu pikirkan gitu supaya apa ya? Supaya kamu orang juga tahu gitu. Orang nggak bakalan tahu kalau kamu tidak mengkomunikasikan apapun ya. Oke. Misalnya nanti kamu mau presentasi ide di depan investor misalnya kan. Ya kan? Kamu kan harus punya semacam alasan-alasan. Kenapa sih produk ini harus dibuat gitu ya? Apa sih risetnya? Apa sih fakta-faktanya gitu ya? So this is very important everyone to improve the way how you deliver your own opinion gitu. Jadi jangan sampai kamu punya ide, kamu punya opini, tapi nggak pernah kamu sampaikan, dan pada akhirnya itu hanya sebatas di kepala aja gitu. Dan padahal sebenarnya itu opini yang bagus gitu. Can you see that everyone? So this is a part of the skill ya. Ini skill yang cukup bagus ketika kamu punya critical thinking yang baik itu sebagai mahasiswa gitu ya. Sebagai apa? Nggak tahu profesi kamu nanti apa, atau kamu dalam masa perkuliahan ini kamu lebih condong kemana, entah itu di jaringan kan, entah itu di movie maker kah, multimedia kah, animasi kah kamu. Tapi but you have to be able to explain something gitu ya. When you have your own opinion, you try to express your opinion. That's very important gitu. Kalau enggak ya orang-orang nggak bakalan tahu kalau kamu itu punya opini yang brilian, ide yang brilian gitu ya. Oke, can you see that everyone? Itu sih ya. Ada yang mau bertanya nggak sebelum kita masuk ke sini ya? Saya sih nggak ada submission untuk minggu ini ya. Senang nggak kira-kira? Jadi langsung aja sekarang ya untuk ininya, activitiesnya ya. Jadi coba Anda lihat di sini ya. Saya ada sediakan semacam 5 gitu ya. Violent video games, bla bla bla, be banned among young children. Coba kamu isi gitu. Kira-kira kamu yang setujunya coba kamu tentuin stance kamu. Kamu setuju nggak should be banned atau should not be banned among young children? Ya terserah, nggak masalah kalau semisal violent video game itu dikasih ke young children, it's okay gitu ya. Kamu di bagian standing yang mana gitu. Atau yang B gitu ya. Oke, di bagian yang B misalnya social networking is not bad atau is bad ya. Jadi dipilih salah satu, kira-kira kamu standingnya di mana. Sama satu lagi, sama yang ketiga, computer cannot replace lecturer atau computer can replace lecturer. Kamu kira-kira apa? Apakah kamu still need your lecturer everyone? Pasti atau gimana Mas ya? Atau kamu ya udah bisa belajar mandiri aja karena dengan source yang sangat banyak sekarang. Sama modern invention can make us lazy atau do not make us lazy. Tahu modern invention kan? Apa aja?
Robot.
Robot, oke. Terus?
Ada yang baru
Gadgets.
meme itu dia drone pembawa manusia, udah dijual.
Oke, drone pembawa manusia. Ya, banyak ya modern invention, AR, VR gitu ya.
Internet, mem.
Internet juga, pesawat
Gadget.
terbang juga masuk ke modern invention ya.
Google
Apa yang di
Environment.
rumahmu? Pokoknya yang di rumahmu lah yang membuat kamu semakin mager gitu ya. Memang membuat hidup semakin lebih mudah ya, tapi kira-kira make you lazy or do not make you lazy ya. Coba nanti saya pengen lihat stand kamu. Ini kita ada 77 orang ya, jadi nanti kita on the spot aja. Sama satu lagi, creating an animation multimedia product. Creating animation or multimedia product is not difficult atau difficult. Jadi satu produk multimedia atau satu produk jaringan lah bagi yang suka jaringan misalnya. Itu menurut kamu difficult atau tidak? Ada 5 ya di sini saya kasih topiknya ya. Coba kamu coba gini, formatnya gini ya. Coba kamu ambil satu topik ini ya. Terus nanti yang pilihannya kamu tentukan sendiri. Kamu bagian yang should not atau should gitu ya. Kamu setuju yang mana gitu ya. Pilih salah satu, kemudian kasih reason-nya. Reason-nya 2 aja cukup dah, 2 aja reason-nya. Kira-kira kenapa gitu. Coba pakai pikiran sendiri, jangan langsung tiba-tiba langsung googling sekarang ya, coba. Speak up ya nanti. Langsung aja ini. Langsung aja nanti saya akan panggilkan ya. Jadi nanti silakan langsung speak up gitu. You state your opinion gitu ya. Stance kamu itu di mana, habis itu kasih reasons-nya gitu. Jadi langsung ya ini, jadi nggak ada submission buat minggu ini, langsung on the spot sekarang aja submission-nya untuk penilaiannya. Minimum 2 reasons ya. Strong reason, kira-kira kenapa to support your opinion yang tadi itu. Sampai 10.40 ya, kita mulai untuk ininya. So you have to listen to your friends' opinion everyone ya. Nanti saya akan panggilin satu-satu to speak quickly ya regarding to your own opinion. Ini submission-nya dari minggu 1 sampai 4 sangat rendah ya. Jadi saya sih berharap jangan sampai nanti Anda menyesal di akhir ya. Jadi itu pasti akan saya rekap ya untuk submission-nya tiap minggu. Jadi jangan sampai Anda selalu kelewat. Bahkan minggu lalu cuma 5 orang yang submit ya. Jadi nggak tahu apa problem Anda gitu ya. Tapi harapan saya itu jangan sampai itu akan seperti itu Anda terus ya. Sorry to say ya pasti gagal dan pasti mengulang Andanya. Jadi usahakan jangan seperti itu. Oke, sudah ya. Coba saya stop share screen dulu. Dewi, ada ya. Putri Amelia, Shirley, nggak ada juga. Syahran,
Saya, Bu.
ya, please.
Bentar, Bu.
Yang lain
creating-
dengerin ya.
Creating the animation multimedia product is not difficult because if he studies seriously, it will definitely not be difficult. That's cuman itu aja, Bu.
Dipakai expressions use yang tadi itu ya.
Oh, yang tadi ya, Bu.
Ya. Nggak, bukan buat kamu, yang lain. Kamu kan sudah ya tadi.
Oh iya.
Yang lainnya ya. Tadi kan kita udah belajar tuh how to state your own opinion, right, everyone? Entah itu satu reason, dua reason, atau misalnya when you would like to state your opinion at the beginning kan, ada tadi kan itu. In my humble opinion, in my opinion, in my point of view, gitu kan. For some reasons, first, second, gitu ya. Jadi supaya tertata gitu Anda ketika state your own opinion ya. Okay, thank you. Syahran. Kita lanjut ya. Aufa Ilham.
Okay. In my opinion, modern invention do not make us lazy. Firstly, it's because it makes our life more effective. Like you don't need to turn on or off your light. You can just reschedule it. Or you can make an app purchase, like you buy monthly cat food, you can just tell Alexa to do it. You don't have to open your apps or something like that. Thank you.
Good, yeah. Thank you. We move to next, Daniel.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay. So I choose social networking is not bad. In my opinion, I think that social networking is not that bad. Social networking is giving us some benefit for benefit like making a new friend and also make some connection, even looking for information that we need. So for me, social networking is not that bad. It depends on ourselves. We can choose to use the social network for bad things or good things. That's for me, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you Daniel, that was good. Yang mau kasih opinion, kalau bisa diusahakan buka kameranya ya, supaya saya bisa dengar juga ya. Saya bisa kenal dan lihat Anda. We move to the next. Noval Rahman. Aris Budiono.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, Aris.
Okay. So, modern invention makes us lazy. In my opinion, modern invention makes us lazy. I have the reason why the newest invention make us lazy. Firstly, because of newest invention, some people like us making the activity more easier to do activity. They become lazy because they're expecting with the newest invention, they don't need to have some hard work to do some activities. And secondly, because of newest invention, some people don't need have activities that going to like such as need second I repeat it once again. Secondly, because of newest invention, some people are expecting that it affect to other aspects such as socials and cyber inside of cybers, including the newest invention doesn't guarantee that will helpful to us. Sometimes some invention are not helping us instead from helping the activities for people. So that because of that invention, some invention can be abused to doing some cyber criminals such as hacking, phishing, and etc.
Okay, thank you Aris for stating your opinion to us. Yeah, we move to Lutfi Putri.
In my opinion, violent video games should be banned among young children because children can follow things in the game and it's very dangerous.
Is that all, Lutfi? Okay, thank you. We move to Amonius Saputra. Okay, Muhammad Rizky Saputra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
In my opinion, violent games should not be banned among your children because it was negative impact on children such as aggressive behavior and following things that are not good in a game, such as fighting and so on. And social networking is bad because
only one.
Oh,
do you want to state all for your own opinion? I asked you to make one only.
Oh.
Okay, thank you, Amonius. We move to the next. Tadi Rizky Saputra? No? Nggak ada?
Ada, ma'am, ada.
Yeah. Please, Rizky.
Computer cannot replace lecturer because I don't think technology can replace meritorious humans like teachers. And then I think that studying with a teacher will give more understanding than studying with a computer.
Okay. Good. We move to Shifa Fauzia.
I think violent video games should not be banned among should be banned among young children because it can make mental illness like addiction and brain damage, and the children can imitate them.
Okay. Yeah. We move to Arjuna Dharma Santoso. Hafiz Alvarez. Andre Maulana. Ihsan
Yes, ma'am.
Saputra. Andre Maulana. Here? No?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Ya, silakan.
I think violent video games should be banned because it bring a bad educative to children, ma'am. In my opinion.
Can you repeat? Boleh diulangi? Nggak terlalu jelas.
I think violent video games should be banned because, in my opinion, it will bring negative education for the children, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Ishan Saputra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
I think making animation or multimedia product is difficult. To create an animation for multimedia product, it takes good skill and a lot of practice. To create animation or multimedia product, at least me have editing software. We need more material to make product and about the software too.
Okay. Thank you. Yose Hendra. Okay. Rizky Ramadhani.
Yes, ma'am.
Rizky, are you Rizky?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Yose, ma'am.
Yose dulu, monggo.
Okay, ma'am.
I choose violent video games should be banned among young children. And my reason is because it will make the child mentality and it will affect the surroundings as well.
Okay, thank you. Rizky Ramadhani.
Okay, ma'am. In my opinion, creating an animation or multimedia product is difficult for me, ma'am. The reason is first because I'm not very good at drawing, and secondly, I don't have a basic in multimedia, but I'm trying to learn, ma'am.
Kok sedih sekali rasanya. It's okay. You can still learn about that. Okay. Thank you,
ma'am.
Rizky. That's
Thank
such a good
Welcome.
opinion. You need to prove that supaya nggak cuma jadi opini ya nanti.
Okay, ma'am.
89 Bintang.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Modern invention for me is make us lazy because I think it can make people unproductive in their activities because of all the convenience and profit. And the second is this can make people introvert because they communicate more via mobile phone than face-to-face meetings.
Yeah, good, Bintang. I agree with you. We move to 90. Alpha, please. Here.
Tadi udah. Tadi salah apa namanya absennya.
Oh
Yang
ya.
modern invention.
Kenapa ini kamu ya? 30 tadi kamu.
Salah, lupa.
Online ya, lupa NIM-nya ya. Atau karena nggak pernah ke kampus. We move to 97. Dimar. Nggak ada ya. Adif. Oh, ada Dimar ya. Oke, silakan Dimar.
In my opinion, people shouldn't be ignoring their mental health because if you get depressed and stressed out for a long time, it will damage your mind and your brain makes you want to harm yourself.
What's your opinion just now? Can you repeat that?
In my opinion, people shouldn't be ignoring their mental health.
Sorry? Don't you choose from 5 that I provided? Would you please to repeat once again?
I'm sorry, ma'am?
Would you please to repeat your opinion? Kecil sekali suaranya.
Oh, wait. In my opinion, people shouldn't be ignoring their mental health.
Follow my explanation previously ya. Kan tadi saya udah kasih 5 topik ya. Yes. Kamu kok jadi nyari topik sendiri tadi?
Oh, sorry man.
Ya, it's okay. Next time didengar ini instruction-nya ya. Mungkin entah kamu baru join apa gimana, I don't know. Tapi ini ya. Oke. Next please. Oki, Adriansyah. Ada? Nggak ada?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
Violent video games should be banned among young children. In my opinion, a child learns by imitating what he sees and will imitate the violence in the video games.
Okay, Ahmad Sepriyadi.
Yes, ma'am. In my opinion, video games should be banned among young children because it many negative effects. So as is number 1 in influencing children to fight against their parents, and 2 make children more aggressive towards any violence, and number 3 is affect children's emotion from an early age. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ahmad. Adif Fizar ada?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
I think.
Sebentar, Adif. Coba di rename absensinya dengan 2 terakhir atau 3 terakhir NIM ya.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Semuanya yang belum ke bawah. Timothy, Hamida, Kamsamida, siapa lagi nih?
Halo, ma'am. Timothy di sini, ma'am.
Ada Timothy lain berarti dong. Berapa akun kamu pakainya?
Ganti nama tim.
Ini 3 terakhir absensi, terus nama gitu. Biar gampang saya ini. Lanjut tadi, Mas Adif.
Yes. I think video games should be banned among young children because they are still young and they don't know which one is good or which one is bad. So they will learn about violence, aggressive thoughts, and angry feelings. And it will affect their growth.
Okay, Adif, thank you. Syarif ada di sini, Syarif? Oke.
Syarif saja atau in my opinion, hold on, where is it? In my opinion, creating animation or multimedia product is quite difficult because not only you need talent in drawing, and you also need a lot of time to do one. It could take a lot of time. It could that's it, I think. And that's all. That's my opinion. It's hard and it takes a lot of time.
Only that?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. We move to 118. Brian.
Okay. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you.
In my opinion, creating an animation or multimedia product is quite difficult because, in a sense, creating an originality of your product between others product is quite difficult. So, creating this originality can differentiate and make it have its own charm between others product. Also, creating an animation also takes time and takes someone's skill express someone's skills in creating that animation. I think that's all about my opinion.
Okay, thank you. We move to 119. Febirino.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Social network is not bad because I think social network make it easy for us to communicate and we can add new friends.
Only that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We move to 113. Angela.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Would you please to open your camera so that I can see you?
Ini di sini habis hujan, ma'am. Masih
Oh, gitu.
hujan reda. Jadi agak susah nanti.
Oke, silakan. You don't want?
Gimana?
Monggo Mbak, silakan.
Violence in video games should be banned among the children because, in my opinion, video game makes children become lazy and they also will be an abusive child. That's all my opinion, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We move to 112. Rafiq, Muhammad Rafiq.
Okay. In my opinion, social networking is not bad. Reason one, because in business, social networking can be a bridge to some people, organization, or company connected to the world. With social networking, they can do many things like we can do promotion, communication, and negotiation. And reason two, social networking can make something for to be near. Yes.
Okay, next please. I want to call 110, Siti Rahmawati. Are you joining this room? Ya, silakan.
My opinion, violence in video game should not be banned among the children because, in my point of view, video game make children more active.
Oke. Ini kamu kok kayak kurang jelas gitu ininya ya. I cannot hear your statement clearly. We move to Afriando Samifa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
In my opinion, modern invention make us lazy because along with the times, modern invention always make things easier for human. So human don't want to work hard or try to do what they want to do. For example, when you are hungry and want to buy some food, now people just need to order it online and wait at home. Itu saja, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it's good opinion, actually.
Thank you, ma'am.
We move to the next, Andre Wayoga. We move to Yeka Arsa.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, you can start it.
So, violent video games should be banned for young children because, first of all, violent video games is not intended for young children, and young children like to imitate things. They like to imitate everything that they see because that is the way how they learn. And secondly, every video game has its own rating, and this is where parents should pay attention more to it. But nowadays, parents most likely to ignore the ratings and just give their children what they want. And after their children got infected or affected by the game, they just gonna blame the game for what they did. So in order to prevent those, violent video games should be banned from young children's. Just that from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Arsa. That was good opinion.
Mem, tadi ada beberapa yang kelewat waktu Mem panggil. Mereka jawabnya di chat semua, Mem.
We move to the next, please. 101, Lamhot. Are you joining this class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
In my opinion, social network is not bad. Because I think social network can expand relationship and make long distance communication easier.
Okay. Ahmad Sepriyadi. Ini udah saya panggil ya tadi?
Udah, Bu.
Udah ya? Oke, berarti udah ya semua? Ada yang belum? Yang
Saya
belum
belum.
silakan langsung aja.
Saya belum, Mem. Oh.
Ya, silakan sebutin nomornya and then mention your name ya.
Yang tadi aja, yang dulu, Mem. Saya nanti aja. Buat tadi ada yang, oke, saya dulu.
Iya, kamu aja. Iya, kamu aja. Kak, kamu ini. Santai
tadi
aja,
ngomong soalnya,
chill. Oke, silakan.
In my opinion, computer can replace lecture.
Can you state your number first and then you go to your name and then you go to your opinion?
My name is Muhammad Rofian Azari. My name is 066. In my opinion, computer can replace lecture. Firstly, ancient proverb says, looking for learning up to China. Sorry to say, ma'am. Please don't feel offended with my opinion. We cannot only learn with lecture or teacher. We also could learn with anything, as you can browse the paper and course material on the internet, or we could learn from our close related person like family, friend, neighbor, and the others. Maybe computer could not teach us maximally as an actual lecture, but the important thing is we must have a strong intention to study. Everything will be okay. It doesn't mean we don't need actual lecture, but of course we cannot depend only to lecture. We must find another way to study. Secondly, during this COVID-19 pandemic, most campuses are turning from conventional study into online-based study because we need to reduce the distance so the virus will not spread. I think that's my opinion, ma'am.
Okay,
And,
thank you, Rufian.
And the conclusion is, of course, computer can replace lecture in my opinion. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Next, please.
Me, ma'am. Who wants first?
Ya, silakan Adila.
Okay, thanks. I am O21 Adila Putri Nafisa, and in my point of view, computer cannot replace lecture because there are scientifically proven facts that there are some kinds of learning methods such as visual, auditory, and kinetic. The computer is the way to learn by visual and audio, like audio-visual learning method. But for kinetics learner, they need emotional bonds, and that only can be filled by lecture. So I think I stand with computer cannot replace lecture. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you. We move to the next, please.
Saya, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Timothy Raffles Penangsiotang. My name is 005. For my conclusion, in my opinion, I think we should ban violent games to young children because the mental state of these children is still not able enough to play game with M or mature and AO or adult-only rating, and they still doesn't know the differences between fiction and reality. We shouldn't blame the game. The one that we should blame is the parental supervision. And I suggest that you keep an eye on what your underage child does and play, and don't forget to stay beside him while playing so that your children avoid behavior that adopt things that are not good from the game.
Okay. Next, please.
Saya, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
My name is Komahai Fitriani. My name is 0116. I give my opinion about violent video games should be banned among young children because they have a negative impact that can be felt in the real world, and because at a child age his personality is still being formed, so it should be taught in a good ways. Okay, that's all.
Okay, Komang, thank you. Next, please. Safira.
I'm Nadia, Saira Ramadhani, NIM 70.
Sebentar, tadi Mbak Safira ini dulu yuk.
Oh, okay.
I have called your name, Mbak Safira.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem with your devices?
No. Ma'am, sorry, the camera was broken, so I can't open the camera.
Ya, silakan.
Okay, my name is Safira Hamidastiani. So, in my opinion, video game should be banned to among young children because video game. Halo.
Ya, kita bisa dengar. Lanjut aja.
Because it causes a loss of self-control and puts the game first in everyday lives. The children always imitate what they see. So I think video games should be banned to among young children.
Okay. Nadia, silakan.
I'm Nadia, Saira Ramadhani, NIM 70. I'm of the opinion that modern inventions didn't make us lazy. Firstly, because I believe that modern inventions is made to make our lives more easier and more convenient. For example, like the transportation, our communication, and secondly, it's because of how we see the modern inventions, our consideration. Like becoming lazy is our personal choice. It's how we use them where we need them. Thank you.
Okay. Good. Next, please.
Saya, ma'am.
Silakan. Nadif 003.
Ma'am. Saya Nadif dengan NIM 003.
In English, please, Nadif.
Sorry. My name is Nadif. My name is 003. I choose computer can replace lecturer because, in my opinion, all materials can be Google and or on YouTube this day, and we can choose what we want to learn by ourselves.
Next, please. Uswatun.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Uswatu Nasana. My name 030. I think violent video game should be banned among young children because my first opinion, action in video game violence can be done among your children. My second opinion, as a result, children who watch it can make bad influence. So restating my opinion, I believe that is good thing to ban young children from watching violent video game. Thank you, ma'am.
Oke, thank you. Ada lagi? Sudah ya?
Me, ma'am.
Silakan. 007, please. Irsyad. Ini udah saya panggil ya tadi kamu.
Belum, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
No, thank you for your time. In my opinion, violent video game should not be banned for young children, ladies and gentlemen, because we know that the function of video game as entertainment for young children, which is after the children go to school, get a learning process, they will get a lot of stress after that kind of process, ladies and gentlemen. So we minimize the stress the children will playing video game, and one of gender from the video game is a violent video game, ladies and gentlemen. We can say that all the children should play, which is video game. There is no any violence in that game, ladies and gentlemen, because every children have different perspective for the game, and every children have desire to play video game, and a violent video game is a one gender chosen by the children. We can see that in other side, the violent video game have moral value for the children. Why? Because when the children playing violent video games, for example, fighting in game, they will see the impact what they do, ladies and gentlemen, for example. So they can learn other side of life, which is they playing violent video game, ladies and gentlemen. So there is can make another moral value for the children. If you're talking about the impact in real life for this kind of violent video game, we can prevent that, which is with parental supervision, ladies and gentlemen. So there is no any impact in their life for the children after they playing the violent video games. Maybe that's all for my opinion. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you, Irsyad. Next, please.
Saya, ma'am.
Duluan, Lian.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. My name is Muhammad Leonardi, and my name is 773. Okay, I agree that social networking is bad. Okay, because reason one, data theft can occur, and reason two, the occurrence of cyberbullying. And the last reason is children can see offensive images and many other intentions. They are my opinion. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please.
My name is Muhammad Rizka Ramadan, NIM 008. In my opinion, creating an animation or multimedia product is difficult for me. Because actually I don't have basic in multimedia, and second, I'm not good at coding. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please.
Hey, ma'am. In my opinion, creating an animation or
Can you introduce yourself first?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. My name is Jeremy Amanda Putra Tarihoran. My name is 002. Okay, ma'am. In my opinion, creating an animation or multimedia product is quite difficult because just imagine is not enough. An animator must also be able to express the ideas and imagination that are in their minds into image. An animator must be able to understand the software used, not only understand, but they must also dare to pick the software. That's all for me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next.
Me, ma'am.
Udah ya? Ada lagi belum?
Saya, ma'am.
Arjuna.
Nama saya Arjuna Dharma Santoso dengan NIM 059.
Can you introduce yourself in English, please?
My name is Arjuna Dharma Santoso. My NIM is 059. My opinion, social networking is bad because a lot of hoax news and social networking site will make children and adults more selfish. Itu, ma'am.
Next, please.
Ma'am.
Silakan, Mas Bernardus.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am. My name is Bernardus Bizarro Halawa. My name 037. In my opinion, I think social networking is not bad. Social networking give us several benefit like greeting we don't know, and also making so great connection, even searching for the information we need. So for me, bad social networking depends on a person. Thank you, ma'am.
Mas 041, silakan.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, first, my name is Johannes Nadia. My name is 041. Social networking is not bad because social networking allow us to interact and socialize with other people and can share experience and knowledge with each other and can facilitate all important and fast conversation. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Saya, ma'am. My name is Muhammad Utubayaki. My name is 046. In my opinion, violent video games should be banned among your young children because they can have a negative impact on young children, make children lazy to learn, and tend to imitate violence that occurs in games.
Okay. Rayhan, please.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Renal Fikri. My name is 054. So I choose social networking isn't bad because with social networking you can share your interest or your idea to other people without facing them directly. And the second is with social networking you can do anything just from home. Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
Okay. Lutfia, please.
Saya, ma'am. My name is Lutfiadin Octaviani. My name is 047. Violent video games should be banned among young children because, in my honest opinion, that violent video games are very dangerous for children's mental. Where video games for children should teach learning and from good mental and thinking. Thank you, ma'am.
Andika Januar.
My name is Andika Januar Ibrahim. My name is 064. I think social network is not bad because social network make it easier for us to communicate with others people. And secondly, social networks can expand our network of friends. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Syukurman.
My name is Sukurmania. Name 0x7. In my opinion, violent video games should be banned among young children because it is not good for young children because it can affect their behavior as they get older and can cause an increase in symptoms of emotional disorders in children. Thank you, ma'am.
92, please.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Khalid Al-Farzi. My name is 092. And in my opinion, computer cannot replace lecturer because the lecturer better understand what they are taught and have more experience that can be talked to students. And also the lecturer have the knowledge of what can be gained from the experience that cannot be obtained from the searching on the computer. That's my opinion, ma'am.
Okay. 13, Mas Ade, please.
violent video games should be banned among young children. In my opinion, some video games also have an age limit of 18 years and above can affect young children. So parents should pay attention to what their children are playing. That's all, man. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yang belum dapat kesempatan to speak up, everyone. So hopefully for the next yang sekarang belum, nanti di kesempatan berikutnya Anda silakan raise hand ya, supaya terisi untuk participate-nya.